Moving on. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so hey guys. Sorry about that. So, you guys now know that I have a screen recorder. I am back again in another video of Animal Jam. Okay. So I have another video of Animal Jam because my Animal Jam video is sort of come popular. Well, not popular. There's not really that a lot of viewers, but there's some. I'll say. So let's do a treasure hunt. So I'm officially a bunny, but I have 2 wolves and 2 bunnies. Oh my gosh, I need that. If I don't find that, then I'd be losing. Yep, I will. Oh my god! I found it! Oh, it's a red one. Oh, I love red. So this is my wolf. This is actually my main wolf, and the other one is my main bunny. So it's the first one, and the second one is my other bunny. Oh, great! I'm speaking too fast. I need to calm down because I'm so excited. Okay, this will, okay. So, okay, so, I need to, so I collected some gems. So, I'm gonna show you my animals. So, this is my main first wolf. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. So, this is my main animal wolf, and this is my second bunny, and yeah, and this is the third wolf, and this is the fourth bunny. So I have 4 animals. So yeah, so I'm just gonna change to, let's change to this. This looks cute. Twinkle Glendale. I am going 238. That is so rude. Okay, there's people trading. Is anyone of my mighty sweat of my buddies? No, my buddies isn't here online, but we sure do have some friends here. Poppin'. I was to play that again, but never mind. He was gone. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to my den and see what's been happening. So, actually, guys, a good a good friend of mine from YouTube, Rihanna, if you're watching this video, I actually changed my name to Ali2146. So I changed my username because the other one is like stuck. It's stuck, and I don't even remember the password. So I changed. Oh my gosh, how did I even forget? So let me give you a quick tour of my den. Okay, so this is my wolf place, and there's a radio here, and this is my bunny place, and I have this music note wall thing, and I have a chair here to sit down, and I have a table with nothing, and I got some trophies here. I got a wolf one, I got a lion one, I got a raccoon, a horse, and a lemur. And this is the tea party place, and this is my monkey place. But I actually deleted my monkey animal because it wasn't really that cute. And I have a trampoline. And this is another raccoons only party, and then the horse is at the end. And okay, so this is my my perfect birchstone, whatever you call it. And I got a line of plushies. There's a seal, a koala, a tiger, a koala, a tiger, a wolf, and a panda. I need to do more of this. And I got some bamboo fence around my gate here. And I have a little pizza. Okay. And I have a tablet here and a table and a cardboard. A cardboard, is that what they call it? I don't know. And I have a pillow here and you can learn. Even though there's no one gonna teach me. Okay, so this is my den. Yeah. This is my den. So I'm gonna play some mini games. I hope I can get into them, because if I can't, then I will be absolutely cancel the video. Well, I won't cancel it. I still uploaded it, but my Wi-Fi here is slow, so I don't know if I can get in or not. But if I can, then that's good. I don't think I can though. Is this gonna load? Please load. Please. I have a good Wi-Fi. Well, kind of. Please. Ow! I dropped my phone. Oops. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. I just dropped my phone. Ow, my nose is my nose hurt because I just dropped my phone. Ow. Okay, this is not loading. So you know what guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh my god, Animal Jam. What is wrong with my Wi-Fi here?